In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook Messenger to HubSpot in just 5 minutes. If you've been looking to streamline your communications and enhance customer interactions, this integration is perfect for you. Let's dive right into it. First things first, head over to the HubSpot website. If you're not already familiar, HubSpot offers a suite of powerful tools that can help manage your business's marketing, sales, and service needs all in one place. When you reach the home page, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. Logging in will give you access to your HubSpot dashboard, and from there you can manage your tools and integrations effectively. Once you're logged in and you find yourself on the HubSpot homepage, take a moment to explore if it's your first time, or simply head towards the marketplace icon. This icon usually resembles an app store and will give you access to various applications that can integrate seamlessly with HubSpot. Click on the marketplace icon, which should lead you to a new page filled with different app options and categories. In the marketplace page, you'll want to hone in on the apps section. Look for an option labeled apps and click it. This is where you'll find Facebook Messenger and other applications that can further expand the capabilities of your HubSpot account. Browsing through the options can be fun, but today our focus is on setting up Facebook Messenger. Next, locate Facebook Messenger in the list. It might help to use the search function at the top of the page to find it quickly if it doesn't pop up immediately. Once you see Facebook Messenger, click on it to be taken to its specific app page, where you can find out more details about what this integration offers and any specific instructions or requirements. Lucky for us, this one's pretty straightforward. Once you're on the Facebook Messenger app page, find and click on the Install App button. Installation will allow you to set up the integration with minimal hassle. After you click on install, follow any additional prompts or instructions that appear. This might include logging into your Facebook account or granting permissions for the two platforms to communicate. And voila! With these steps complete, your Facebook Messenger is now connected to your HubSpot account, unlocking the potential for a seamless customer service experience. From this point onward, you can use HubSpot to manage your Facebook Messenger customer interactions, enhancing your ability to engage efficiently and effectively. Remember, keeping both platforms in sync can provide valuable insights into customer behavior, boost engagement, and offer a streamlined experience for both you and your clients. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy connecting.